Hi, good day. My name is Jamaica Ladines. My top two qualifications are my solid background in administrative support and my ability to quickly adapt to new systems and workflows. I love helping business owners by taking care of their tasks that usually pile up, like managing schedules, emails, client communications, documentation, and even social media support so they can focus on the bigger picture. One of the greatest work achievement I have was being able to support providers, business and clinic owners by managing their inbox, organizing their schedules, and making sure all documentation was completed accurately and on time. On top of that, I've also created a small community in Facebook where I mentor aspiring virtual assistant, guiding them to gain confidence and the right skills to succeed in their field, something I'm really proud of. For me, the most important values at work are professionalism and integrity. I believe that when you bring honest and consistency into your work, you earn trust and build long-term relationship with your clients. My two greatest strengths are I'm a fast learner and I work efficiently with minimal supervision. Once I understand what needs to be done, I take ownership and make sure it gets done right. Outside of work, I really enjoy cooking and watching documentary films. They help me relax, stay creative, and keep learning new things. I'd love the opportunity to bring the same dedication to your business, and I'm looking forward to supporting you and helping your business to succeed. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.